Radical Dude Twain here, and I'm a little concerned about the innumeracy of the United States. As a country, we're starting to fall really behind in mathematics, and now it's even affecting journalism. As I'm reading one of my favorite magazines, Time magazine, and the problem with it is that you could see I ripped the whole magazine out because I was so angry. Time is celebrating their 100th anniversary, which I applaud them immensely because not many people read today also. And the thing is that it's March 2023, which is really nice, and they started in March 1923. But they wrote in the corner, our 100th year. Well, it's not your 100th year, it's your 101st year. And the reason that is in that first year of publishing, 1923, you say you're in your first year of publishing. 100 years later, you're now in your 101st year of publishing, right? When they started publishing was 1923. And now let's have our number line. So, after 1 year, which was 1924, in that time, between when they first started in 1923 to 1924, that's called their first year. Now, they publish another year. In between their first year and their second year is called their second year, right? That would be 1925. Now let's look 100 years later. 100 years later from 1923 is 2023. Don't worry about the scaling. From 1923 to 2023 is 100 years. But if you look at this pattern, this will be 100. If you look at this pattern, when you see the 1, the first year is to the left. When you see the 2, the second year is to the left. If you see a 3, the third year is to the left. So if you see 100, the 100th year is to the left. So they missed their 100th year. They're now in their 101st year, not their 100th year. So they should either change this to our 100th anniversary, or change it to our 101st year, which isn't as dynamic. Or the third option is change the name of your magazine to About That Time. Well, this has been Radical Dude Twain, and I hope I was able to line you something.